Hi everybody, thanks for coming by. I thought we'd do a quickie Sephora Play. I only opened it, haven't peeked inside, I promise. Sephora Play is a monthly subscription. That is $10. You just sign up through Sephora and you get sample sizes to try new things from Sephora. Well, new things to you, not necessarily new things to Sephora. So we have this nice, time for glasses. We have our nice playlist 2018. This is a cumulative list of Sephora facts for 2018. It says that they shipped 3,244,000 lipsticks this year. The city that received the most boxes was Chicago, Illinois. Interesting. Okay, let's get into the box and see what we've got. I'm gonna put the paper right in front of me so that we can see. And of course, we have our bag, our new, nice new plastic bag. Anyway, I've talked enough about the bag. We have Clinique Moisture Surge, Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. And it says a refreshing gel cream that boosts moisture and helps skin hydrate itself. All right, it is a full, I can tell it is chock-a-block full of Moisture Surge. Very cool. That'd be good. So I can always use more moisture this time of year. Period. End of statement. I can always use more moisture. Next, we have the Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt. Oh, this is cool. I like both primers and luminizers, and Dr. Brandt is a great product. Let's see what it says. It is not on here. You know, I heard that they were going to send out extra products this month, and I think everybody was going to receive one extra product. I would say that this Luminizer primer is mine. Oh, it is not clear. It has tone. It's very smoothing. Oh, wow. Oh, it totally blurred my pore. I don't think there's a chance I get you this, but it totally blurred the pores on my hand and feels nice and smell. Oh, that feels fantastic. I'm thinking I'm gonna like this. Did anybody want to see this? Should we go back and look at the Moisture Surge gel and see what it looks like? It is just a little pink gel. Yeah, you can't see. It's very light. It's like a serum. It rubs in just like a serum base does. Also not much smell. Very cool so far. Oh, Tarte Lights, Camera, Lashes. I can tell you anything you want to know about Lights, Camera, Lashes. This has been, up until I started doing boxes, this had been my primary mascara for, I can't even tell you. You know what? I started to open it, but I didn't get it finished. I'm going to leave it shut, and I'm going to pass it along because I'll put it in that giveaway I keep talking about. I have used that forever. It's probably one of my favorite mascaras. It says it's a mascara that lengthens, curls, volumizes, and conditions lashes. So cool. All right. Okay, next we have Trestique Glaze for Days. So it's a Trestique Lip. I have one from another bag. Very similar to this. They put a sticker over it. All right, there we go. Trestique. It says it's a nurturing lip balm in vivid pink shade with a soft shine. It's a vivid pink. Pardon my bruise, I wiped my hand while wrapping gifts. Oh, it is just kind of balmy without a lot of color. I like that. I always need something that I can just chuck on when I don't have a lot of makeup on because a lot of my lipsticks are very dark. Very cool. Let's see what's next. Oh, neat. I got the DpHue apple cider vinegar rinse. I have never tried this. Actually, my mom tried it and liked it a lot. I have never tried it, so I'm very excited to try it. It says that this is a hair rinse that cleanses strands and scalp with natural ingredients. And I think that you use it between washes, but still rinse your hair. I've never been completely comfortable with that, but definitely going to give it a try. That's a nice, it says it's 1 fluid ounce, but it seems like a good-sized bottle. So, yay. And last, last but not least, we have, ooh, what is this? Touch in Soul. have to read about this. I do not know what this is. It looks like glitter on top and creamy on the bottom. Good as Gold, Touch and Soul, Metalist Liquid Foil, and Glitter Eyeshadow Duo in Titania? I would say Titania, but all of the I's and A's are in the wrong place. It says you apply the cream shadow to your lids and then the glitter on top. Well, we'll have to play with this for a second. This looks kind of fun. All right, so put a little bit of the cream on. So it's real, it's a rose gold color, but it's real light. And then glitter. Glitter makes everything better, right? Oh, it's on the little paddle, so you don't have to shake it out. And I guess you just I feel like maybe that was wrong. I don't know. I should probably let that dry on there. I mean, actually, in person it looks really cool. It's almost like shade shifting, but I don't know. Oh, if I can, there you go. Smooth it out a little bit. This is going to be interesting getting this on my eyes and not all over my face, but it looks super fun, so I will definitely be giving it a try. Well, it's kind of fun. Something completely new and different for me. Okay, so that is the Sephora box. So, yes, the Dr. Brandt, which is not mentioned, must be my extra Christmas gift. So I got the DpHue Apple Cider Vinegar to rinse my hair. I have the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. I have the Clinique Moisture Surge. I have that cute little eyeshadow duo to try. The Trestique Lip Balm in pink. And the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. So that's a fun Sephora box. It's got new and different stuff in it for me. Things that I've actually wanted to try and haven't. Like the cider vinegar and the, this Luminizer felt great. So that I would love to find a primer that I loved. I've tried a million that have come in my boxes and everybody loves the Too Faced and I'm about the Too Faced. So fun. Okay, so that was a quickie. Please like and comment below. Did you get the same thing in your boxes, or more importantly, what did you get as your bonus thing? Are we all getting the Dr. Brandt, or is everybody getting something fun and different? Because I don't love surprises. Anyway. Okay, so like and subscribe to see more of my unboxings, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.